So I was explaining you that, right? So here this log2 is nothing but the base. Okay. Because they have this is a website they have just written from somewhere, so that's why it is coming. But always remember it is a log base 2. Okay, log base is coming in the downside. So this is a base. Okay, are you aware about, right, base, log base e, log base 2, log base 10, right? Everyone, are you clear about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So if anyone asks you what is an entropy, so entropy, what you will going to say? Entropy will measure the impurity in a given attribute and it specify the randomness in a data. Don't forget to add this term randomness. It means that you, and why you are using this entropy? This entropy will going to decide how the node will going to split. Remember this term
Okay.
as well. How the node will going to be split decide by entropy. Entropy measure the impurity of a given attribute, randomness in the data.
So, I mean, this is like a formula we have to know.
Yes, but
Okay.
in the code, when you're going to write the code, we don't have to write all this thing. We just have to import the library, just like pandas, numpy, matplotlib. We all are
Okay.
importing, right? We write a code, import pandas at pd.
Uh-huh.
Similarly, we have to import the library and call the decision tree algorithm. They will going to do internally all this operation for us. Okay,
Okay.
I will going to show you that as well. But just as of now, you remember this thing. So now this is about entropy. What about information gain? Information gain will going to measure the changes in the entropy after you are going to make a decision. Okay. It calculate how much information that particular node is contain. Okay, let me ask you one question. Suppose if I say you tomorrow in a rainy season, if I say you tomorrow it will going to be rain. So
Mhm.
it is more informative for you, or if I say that in the winter season, if I say that tomorrow will going to be rain, which one is more informative and surprising for you?
The
The
previous
late,
one.
Previous one, which one?
I think the second
So
one.
just tomorrow gonna be rain.
Good. Second one that you said correct. In the winter. So here also the logic works in that way. Wherever the entropy is less, wherever the entropy is less, more information will be contained there. Like as I said you that tomorrow it will going to be rain in a rainy season. So you are sure that it's a rainy season, so it will be rain. So you are not surprisingly. So the
Okay.
information will be less there. Okay, just like in the news we say breaking news, right? That
Uh-huh.
breaking news means what? That is uncertain, surprisingly. So whenever we heard this term breaking, we used to see that, right? So here also it happens. Listen my term carefully. Okay, I'm writing down here as well. Information gain means wherever entropy is less, more will be the information.
So,
Yeah, please ask the question. What?
so less information, like, means it's
No,
like
no. Entropy means what? Impurity will be less. Obviously, when impurity is less, more will be the informative, right? Entropy is what? It is going to check the impurity, measure the impurity. So when impurity is less, more will be the information.
Okay.
So because node, it will going to split the node based on the entropy value. Suppose you have a two node here. This thing is mathematics. You might be thinking boring or like that, but this is our very informative. Nobody will going to explain this all, right? They just come to the code that I feel that they should explain this mathematics so you can visualize it. You can imagine with yourself. This is a node, okay? In this node, how this particular node you will going to select, how we decide that? If suppose
Mhm.
based on the entropy, correct, right? And based on the entropy, which entropy you will going to select? Suppose this node is having entropy value 0.2, 0.79. Entropy value or probability value lies in a which range?
100.
No. Always remember, probability should be always greater than equal to 0. Okay.
Yeah, and less than
And less
100.
than, no, less than equal to 1. 100 means in term of
Uh,
percentage you are saying.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Always it is something when you multiply by 100, then you can say it, but probability always greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. Okay, if let me give you an example. In the coin, in Indian rupees, in a coin, we have a two face, head and tail. Have you seen Indian coin?
Yes, Amit.
So two face are there, head and tail. If I say you, what is the probability of getting head? So what you will going to say? Yeah, good.
50-50%.
1/2.
Yeah,
Yeah.
50%. So that 50% you can write down this way also. You 0.50, right? So that 0.50 will lies in this range, right? So you can say in percentage as well, but you can take in percentage as well, and you can take it in this value as well, 0 to 1.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly for tail as well, like this only, right? So now here, this node is having entropy 0.79. This entropy is 0.98. What is the definition of entropy? Measure the impurity of a node. So now which node you will going to select? When algorithm will going to select the final decision, which it will going to select?
0.98.
0.79. Oh,
No, I told you entropy is less, more will be the informative.
this.
So 0.79 will going to be select.
Because it has more information, right?
Yes, and it is doing what entropy is actually doing. I told you right away that it is measuring the impurity. So if entropy value is more, impurity is more, right? Then why you are going to select impurity node, impure node? Are
So
you getting?
we're gonna select 0.79, right?
Yes.
Oh,
Where
yeah.
entropy is less, impurity is less. What is the definition of entropy? Measure the impurity in the given node. Read this definition. Measure the impurity in the given node.
Okay.
When entropy is less, it means that
It's
is
more accuracy.
more,
Okay.
yeah, more informative, and impurity is less there. Impurity term means it will not going to give you incorrect result, but here impurity is more, entropy is more, then it means it is not much informative.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
this is about, and how you're going to find out information gain. Information gain means how much information usually you hold. So for that, whatever entropy you will obtain from this minus entropy of each node. Each node means if you have a multiple node, that you will going to multiply, and weighted average is some value that is assigned by that is holding by your node. Now you don't have to worry about this, what is weighted average and all. This all will going to be assigned by your algorithm. It is just a sample random value assigned to your algorithm. For example, suppose you have a value like this 0.0.11. Okay, some people they write this way as well. Okay, some people they write like this also. Which one is correct in among these two?
10.
Yes.
0.10 is correct, right?
Yeah. So why it is correct? Because it is more normalized.
Yeah.
But if you write 0.10, that is also correct in another way, right? But why I'm telling you this thing, when you write 0.10, it means that it is more accurate, more normalized. Now similarly, let me ask you 0.102, and I am giving you 10. Which one is more correct?
Yeah. First
One,
one.
yeah, because it is more normalized, more optimized. So here also, weighted average means what? There are some value that will going to add by your algorithm so that you can get a normalized value at the end for this information gain. So this all will going to be decided by algorithm. You don't have to do anything. I will going to show you practically tomorrow how it works. But always remember there are three formula we use: information gain, entropy, and Gini impurity. Let me
Okay.
cover that as well. Today, don't forget to see this video. I will upload video. Go through this video at least once. Otherwise, you will going to forget about it.
Okay.
Now, Gini index. Gini index, what they do? Gini index also they use for measuring the impurity, but it is also measure how much node is pure. Okay, it is measuring both here. Gini index. While creating the decision tree, it will going to measure both impurity and purity. Read this line and just explain me based on the entropy what I have explained you. Read this line carefully now.
Again, yes. Okay, got it.
Everyone got it?
Yeah. So Lex Gini index should be preferred.
Yeah. Why? Because less will be the purity.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Don't means now you might be asking a question as well. Here we are talking about purity as well. Then what in that case? Okay. In that case, your algorithm will automatically will going to prefer high Gini index, but normally we measure impurity of the node. We not measure purity. If we measure impurity, then because we have to eliminate the node, okay, we have to eliminate the node, so we always measure impurity. Very rarely occur based on the data set that we measure purity. So this is the concept behind this. So Gini index formula is 1 minus summation of pj square, where what is a p here? P is a probability of all those. Okay,
What is the mean of J?
j is just a number. P1,
It's
P2,
value?
no, not a value. Summation, how we write a summation?
I know the
Summation.
summation.
We do the
Right.
like summation X, something like that.
Yes. So summation we write
Summation. Mhm.
for I is equal to 1 to n.
Mhm.
For I value 1 to n value, right? We write like this. So it will be something like this.
Yep, yep.
Pi. Okay.
Mhm.
For every where I value will keep on changing. P1, P2, P3, Pn. Till Pn it will go. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Got it. Amit.
Okay. So summation
So,
value, yes.
okay. So the meaning of the summation J is some
Yes.
number, right?
Yes.
Symbol.
Yeah,
Okay.
symbol. J is a symbol which is using with this P, and you will have a value from Pj is equal to 1 to n. Whatever the value of n, this P value will have a value. For example, n is equal to 5. So suppose Pj, suppose this is J, you take it J. So for P1 there is one value. For P2 there is one value. P3 one value. P4 till n value. N is what? 5. So till P5 you have a different value of P. You are going to sum those.
Mhm.
Do you understand?
Got it. Amit.
So it will be look like this. Urmila, do you understand?
Yes, Amit.
If anything is not clear, you can ask me.
So, Amit, what is
Yes.
the difference between Gini and entropy?
Uh, Gini is also measuring the impurity, but it is measuring while creating the split of the node. Okay. Gini index. Gini index is used for eliminating the node which are not relevant. Entropy is just to split the node. For example, entropy, what it will going to do? It will make a decision how to split the node into different categories. Gini index will going to help you how to eliminate the node so that you can continue following the same hierarchy. For example, uh, this is suppose grandfather. Okay, grandfather is a two kid, one is daughter and one is son. Now suppose Vivek, you are the son of his son. Okay, so which hierarchy you will going to follow? This one, right? So entropy
Yeah.
will going to make a split of the node, but this Gini index will eliminate this part and will follow this hierarchy, and this hierarchy will keep on going unless you reach to the result or a decision, that is you reach to the Bibek. Do you understand? Gini index will eliminate the node. Which node is eliminate? This one. And you will going to follow the correct path unless you reach the node. Now it might be possible that there is suppose Bibek here. Okay. Bibek is having suppose kids, suppose 2 kids are there. Then which one the person want to reach or which one is the result? So again, you will going to make a split, right? Are you getting?
Mm-hmm.
So like this is called a Gini index, which is eliminating the node. Okay, it will use for eliminating the node and reach to the decision. Entropy will only going to decide how many split will be possible. Okay,
Okay.
based on the categories like yes and no. So only 2 categories are there. If suppose we have yes, no, true, false, how many going to split will be happen? 4 split, right? Yes, no, true, false, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is all about decision tree. I hope it is clear to you, right? Any
Yeah.
question? So what you can do, go through this today at least once, what explanation I have given you. Anywhere, anything that is not clear, you can ask me. I'm sharing the slide as well to you right now.
Mm-hmm.
Please save all those links that I share every day. Don't forget those links. I send you on the chat. Okay. I send you on the chat those link, and I'm sending you the link of the resource as well that you can follow. This is a website.
Amit,
Yeah.
can you send those link on the WhatsApp? That would be better for me.
Okay, I will send it.
Okay, in WhatsApp. Thank you.
Yes, I will send it. So you go through it today, this decision tree. Okay, let me show you the program. You can see this program, right? In this program, I'm importing the file. I'm reading this data. If you remember in Pandas, how we read the data. This is the data. I am telling the code that X and Y is your, X will be your input column, Y will be your output column. I will going to explain this, everything to you. While writing a code is very easy. Getting the concept is difficult. So we're going to learn. Okay, it's very easy. And based on that, you can do prediction as well. You can see prediction we are getting here. We're going to show you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So go through this today, the explanation, and tomorrow we'll connect same time. I will going to start decision tree algorithm.